I'm Deanna with WTI, and in the summertime I like something to cover my head when I'm out in the sun for a long time, but I don't really like baseball caps. So I am so happy to have this cute black beanie by LilySilk. This beanie is 100% silk and it's knitted, so it has a lot of stretch, so it will fit a lot of different size heads. It's one of the first beanies that I found that I like on me. Silk is a fabric that keeps you cool, so it's a wonderful alternative for the summertime. And what I like too is I found two other ways I can use it. I can use it as a sleeping cap because it's gentle on my hair, and I can also use it in the winter. I can put it under my wool hat, and then the wool won't damage my hair, dry it out, and it'll be extra comfortable. This beanie is just super cute, very comfortable, and that's my point of view.